Imagine a world untouched by civilization, a time when Earth was raw, wild, and unforgiving. This is 4.8 million years ago. Before cities, before tools, even before fire, early humans faced the ultimate challenge, survival. But how did they live? What did they eat? And how did their diet shape the future of our species? Let's travel back in time to uncover the survival diet of early humans. It's the late Miocene to early Pliocene epoch. The continents look familiar, but the climate is warmer, more humid. Forests stretch wide across Africa, Asia, and parts of Europe. But they are changing. Grasslands are expanding. Forests are retreating. This shift in the environment is driving the evolution of a new kind of primate, a creature that would one day become us. Enter Australopithecus anamensis, one of the earliest known hominins. Living in eastern Africa, these early humans stood upright, but still climbed trees to sleep and escape predators. They didn't hunt large animals. They didn't build tools, but they had one powerful skill: adaptability. And that adaptability began with diet. So what did early humans eat 4.8 million years ago? Their diet was simple, natural, and entirely dependent on what the land provided. They ate fruits, wild figs, berries, baobab pods. These provided sugars, fiber, and essential vitamins. They chewed on fibrous roots and tubers, pulled straight from the earth. These starchy foods were tough but filling. Leaves and shoots offered minerals, while tree bark and gum provided extra energy in times of scarcity. Insects too, grubs, termites, ants, were protein-packed snacks, abundant and easy to catch. And when the opportunity arose, eggs, small reptiles, or even scavenged meat from a predator's leftovers added fat and protein to their limited menu. It wasn't gourmet, but it was enough to survive. The survival diet wasn't just about filling bellies. It shaped how early humans evolved. Chewing tough roots and plants strengthened the jaw, leading to powerful facial muscles and large teeth. Digesting raw plants required a strong gut and a long, complex digestive system. But most importantly, the constant search for food forced early humans to explore new areas, walk longer distances, think, plan, remember. Their brains slowly began to grow, and that changed everything. Life wasn't easy. Food was often scarce. Seasonal droughts could dry up rivers and kill off plants. Predators lurked in the grass, lions, hyenas, giant birds. And competition from other species was fierce. So early humans had to get creative. They began using rocks to crack open nuts and bones. Not quite tools yet, but the beginning of tool use. They followed herds to scavenge leftovers, watched birds to find ripe fruit trees, and worked together to gather food and keep watch. Cooperation was key, because surviving alone was almost impossible. Although rare, access to animal protein was a turning point. Fat-rich marrow inside bones was a powerful energy source.